So here's how to create a CPA grip account. It's actually very easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. First you will need to log into your Chrome browser. Then here you have to search for the CPA grip, and once you search for it, now it will take you to this interface. Now from here you have to click on the very top link. Here I'm gonna click on the sign up now option, and once I clicked on it, now it will take me to this sign up page. Here you have to enter all the details of your account. Here you have to enter your first name, last name and other details as well. CPA Grip is a strong platform where you can earn money by referring the products. To sign up to CPA Grip account, you have to fill this form very carefully. After filling the form, now you have to agree the terms and condition and then click on the sign up or register now option at the bottom. Once you click on it, now they will send a verification email to your email address. You have to verify your email, and after that your account will be created on CPA Grip. So this is how to create a CPA Grip account.